Hello, hello. Hi, Aries. How are you guys? How are you guys? It's tea time, baby. To my subscribers, welcome back, honeys. To those of you who are new to my channel, I am Lee. I will be bringing you the tea, baby. Spirit, ancestors, angel guides, you are welcome into the room for a general Aries read. Okay, this is a general read, babies. So, different strokes for different folks. Don't apply pressure, baby. Take what's for you, what's not for you, you leave it behind. Spirit, ancestors, angel guides, starting with what's the tea for our Aries? What do they need to know? What do they need to hear? What messages do we have for Aries today? Whoa, dropped half of the deck. Okay, you're not taking all these, but this one into you, baby. Good chemistry. Great vibes. Positive. And then we got moving on. Thank you next. Oh, a one night stand, maybe. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Can we get one more? One more. Groupie. And on the bottom we have ego, hurt, ego getting in the way of relationship, etc. Fishing for comments and hooked. Stalker, watching, obsessed. Ooh, so for some of you, you have a stalker, baby. For some of you, you may have a one night stand with a groupie. Okay, or decide to there's good chemistry for someone, but someone is moving on. Okay, so you may have recently broken up from someone who you was really into, someone you cared about, someone y'all share good vibes. But for whatever reason, baby, it didn't work out. Maybe something that got to do with social media. Spirit ancestors, willingness. You are able to compromise if the end result is love. Okay, so this is looking like social media. Like social media, something happened on social media that may had come between you and your person. And on the bottom we have elevation. You are making the conscious decision to raise your vibrations of love. Okay, so you may got caught up like in somebody else's pictures, caught up in somebody else's DM, caught up in social media. Something went down, baby. The groupies are cheering you on. The groupies are happy that you are now single and can hook up. What the hell? Here we go. Release your anger safely, baby. And on the bottom we have stop getting distracted. Okay, somebody thirsty. Somebody thirsty all over social media. All over everybody else. Paying attention to everything else. Doing everything else. Somebody doing it for attention. Clout chaser. Need to feed the ego. But the ego is sad, baby. Okay, La La Land is fake, baby. All that social media attention. If you still going to sleep at night, if you still got to hold your pillow at night, if you still feel empty inside, okay, if you're not having real conversations with real live people, like in your face, one-on-one, skin-to-skin type action, then it's all an illusion. Moving on into the tarot for our Aries. Please don't forget to subscribe, Aries. Social media, baby. La La Land. It's all an illusion, baby. You don't know what's in them cups. Okay, you don't know if you're getting catfish. You don't know if everything that shines is gold. Everybody has on a filter, baby, and it's kind of making you stuck. Okay, not able to make the next move, or taking a risk. You're taking a risk. Taking a risk. Okay. Taking a risk. We have the Ace of Swords. Taking a risk. Got a bright idea. So you may have a new idea how to go about something. We have a King of Cups. King of Cups are emotionally available. Okay, so you're single and ready to take a risk, Aries. Single and ready to take a risk. Let's see. Hangman, Five of Cups, and healing. Okay, so we got the Five of Cups in reverse. We got the Hangman in the center. Okay, so shifting perspective. Oh my goodness. Whew, my hands are killing me. Shifting perspective, baby. Move these on over here. And we have the Four of Swords. Okay, so shifting perspective. Closure, forgiveness. Okay, no longer grieving a situation. Taking a moment to probably already sat in it, already healing from it, understanding things happen for a reason, and it's time to work on yourself, baby. Okay, time to focus on yourself, time to focus on your money, time to learn, get educated, and whatever skill, whatever trade that you're skilled at, because it's an illusion, baby. Okay, something is it's an unclear path. It's an unclear path, but it's time to take action. Okay, so it's either action coming your way or communication. Someone is going to communicate. Lots of communication. Fast. Okay, a lot of messages. Passionately. Okay, taking the pause before moving forward to a Queen of Cups, which means that it can be a divine partnership coming up for you. Woo. So there's an idea that you want to take the risk with. But there's a lot of illusion. There's groupies. There's mysteries. There's an unclear path. So you may want to watch yourself. Okay, watch yourself. Maybe you want to follow your intuition. Learn who's what, where they come from, what they really represent, who they really are, or learn what it is that you want to do, how you can go about it, what if you want to go to a school, research it. If you want to change jobs, research it. This is really like emotion, so well, we do have the Eight of Pentacles. We do have the Eight of Pentacles. Trying to work on yourself. Okay, here we go, baby. Messages for our Aries. Aries, please don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up. Please hit that like button. Please check your notification bell and push all. YouTube has some maintenance going on and it interfered in the notification button. So if you would be so kind, I appreciate you guys. We have the Tower in reverse. Coming out first and foremost. So, okay. So you may be trying to avoid a situation, or you need to avoid the situation. Okay? The options. Okay? Okay, you may be trying to hook up with somebody on the internet, and it may not be what you need in your life, baby. Okay, you may make a move out of anger that may have severe consequences. Yes, out of desperation. Moving out of desperation. Okay, moving out of desperation. So for some of you, something may have pissed you off. Okay, that separation with your person or whatever pissed you off, and now you may feel like you mad at the world. It's whatever. You're gonna do whatever. You're gonna talk to whoever. You're gonna smash whoever. Okay, but Spirit is saying that you need to chill, okay, and recognize what it is that you're going to do next, because no fool, no fun, baby. Okay. So there's some complications. There's impatience. Avoidance and grief. Okay, so these actions that you're taking or that someone is taking is out of anger. Someone is moving out of anger. Okay, someone is grieving whatever happened between you guys. The Queen of Cups is in reverse. She still came out. She was under there. She still came out over here. So this was a divine counterpart. This was your person. This was somebody that you was with, somebody that y'all was cool. Things was copacetic. And something happened online that came between you guys. And now somebody is really angry and don't want to see you, or you don't want to see them. This person mad as shit. Woo. Somebody's being manipulative. Okay, someone is being impulsive, naive. And then we have a new beginning. The opportunity for a new beginning. Okay, so you got to watch how you moving, baby. Look, we got an Ace of Wands. So the opportunity for a new beginning. The opportunity to start. To be passionate about whatever. And then we got the Ten of Swords. So. Okay. Evaluating and ending with your ex. But it's time for change, baby. It's time to come out of your hermit mode. Get back on your throne. Evaluate the situations moving forward. In love, there needs to be a decision to be made, because it's an illusion. Okay, it's an illusion. Somebody ain't what they say they is. Somebody definitely ain't what they say they are. And that's the truth, baby. So you may need to fall back, baby. Fall back, baby. Okay, it may be time for you to move on, but it seems like you're moving in the wrong direction, towards the wrong person, place, or thing. Okay, out of anger, out of spite, trying to manipulate a situation, getting the wrong attention from the wrong people. Moving on into the Lovers Oracle. Here we go. For our Aries. Messages for our Aries. Oh, shit. I dropped those. Between the line, baby. Okay, so you're nor here nor there yet. Okay, there's a decision that needs to be made before, hopefully you take that moment to really think things through. Okay, be vigilant. Use protection. Protect yourself. Know where you're going. Know who you're meeting. Know what you're doing. Okay? If you need to let your friends know where you're going, who you're meeting, and what you're doing, then maybe you need to do that. Hidden meaning, vague, speculate, implicate. Okay? It's not what it seems, baby. Unexpected, surprise, unpredictable, shocking, and unusual. Okay, so you may learn something about somebody that is going to shock you. Okay, so it was two of them that fell on the floor, so we're just going to take them. So we had the crossroad, right? Right. Crossroad, choice, multiple options, turning point, and indecisive. Somebody may have some legal matters, justice, divorce, balance, and judgment. Okay, there is definitely a separation. So it might end up in divorce. Here we go, here we go. Can we get two more for our Aries? Two more. Regret, mistake, guilt, wrong choice, apology. And then we have a storm warning, baby. Upheaval, obstacle, wrecking ball, and drama. Yeah, this is going to get uglier before it gets better. So you need to watch the decisions that you make. Signs and synchronicities, coincidences, signal, hint, message from the universe. Liquid courage, bravery, confident, intoxicating, odd behavior. Use your intuition, baby. Gut feeling, psychic, premonition, sixth sense. Okay, so use discernment, baby. Use discernment. Let's see what the Rebel deck got to say for our Aries. Please hit the like button, Aries. I appreciate you guys, your channel, your views, your support to my channel. We've been growing, slowly but surely getting it done, babies. Please subscribe, let a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. It's tea time, babies. I'm kind of tired. I need to take a nap for real. Here we go. Messages from the Rebel deck. Whatever you are thinking about, don't do it. Now is not the fucking time. You need a good cry. Get the ugly cry on. Let that shit go. Your soul will thank you. Yes, moving out of anger is going to cause you disruption. Okay, it's going to cause you a tower moment. It's going to get uglier before it gets better. Okay, you may make it worse. Stop fucking whining. No one wants to listen to that. Complaining makes you weak. You have the strength to change your world, so do it. See? Messages for our Aries. You are loved. You are here for a reason. Don't fuck it up. Okay, it really feels like somebody got caught up. Somebody got caught up doing some dirty shit. Okay, if you was in a relationship and you was out there giving everybody else attention, liking everybody else's stuff, being in other people's DMs or whatever, you may have ruined something good, baby. Okay, or someone may have ruined something good with you. It can be you, it can be them, but it is what it is. Let's get two more. Here we go. You are talented and amazing. The world needs your power. Use your voice. Just don't use it for dumb shit. Some good shit is about to happen. Don't let your issues mess it up. Okay, baby? So, get out of your head. Get into your heart. It misses you, baby. Okay, honey? So, we're going to go deep in the dark. Oh, my goodness. To see what they may be thinking, what they may be feeling. If they can tell you what they got going on deep inside them. What would it be, Aries? What would it be? In the dark. Let's go in the dark. What messages for our Aries? I need to hold back my true feelings for you. I was hurt by you. And I can't handle your love. On the bottom, the overall energy is it over? Is it over? Messages from your soulmate for our Aries. Please hit the like button, baby. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys. Thank you oh so much. It's free. Just a push of a couple buttons. Please hit the notification bell. Hit all. Thank you. Here we go. Messages from the soulmate for our Aries. Messages from your soulmate. You are so different from anyone I know, yet you feel so familiar. When I'm sad, I look at your pictures and feel much better. You make me feel like a kid again. And on the bottom we have, my greatest wish is to make you smile and feel safe around me. Oh, I love that card. That's where it's at, baby. That's where it's at. Let's see what you get from your romance angels. For our Aries. Tread lightly, baby. Tread lightly, baby. Okay? Remember, everything that shine ain't gold, baby. Here we go. Here we go. New love. Children. New love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Children. Your love life is being affected by children. Heart-to-heart conversations. Honesty. Honestly. Discuss your feelings with each other. And on the bottom, the overall energy for the romance angels is you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So go with the flow, baby. Don't rush. Okay? Don't rush. Don't be thirsty. Okay? And if they come at you rushing towards you, you may need to say, you know, let's take it slow so that you can give yourself a moment to see if this person is really who this person is claiming to be, or if they come in with good intentions towards you. Okay, love? Okay. So, getting messages for our Aries from the water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, for our Aries. What messages do the water signs have for Aries? Here we go, baby. Messages for Aries from the water signs. I want you to love me for who I am. I've been trying to forget about you, but I can't. One more from the water signs for our Aries. One more. I don't know how to talk to you. Okay, so moving on for the air signs. For our Aries, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You are so beautiful to me. I need some alone time now. And you are my missing piece. Oh, that was cute. Messages from the earth signs, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I want. We need to take it slow. Yep. The energy between us felt amazing. Take it slow, baby. Don't rush it. Messages from the fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. For our Aries. Messages from the fire sign. I'm not ready to open up. Some more from the fire signs. I'm still so confused about it all. And I've been watching your social media. Definitely. There's a lot going on in that social media, Aries. Okay, and the overall energy on the bottom of the deck is, I wish I would have treated you better. Okay, lovelies. So, let me give you some affirmations. Little inspiration to take along with you in your soul's journey, baby. Then we'll be asking your questions. If you want to start thinking about them now, that will be great. Here we go. Here we go. Affirmations, spirit ancestors, angel guides for our Aries subscribers. Here we go, babies. Here we go. Oh, I thought it flipped, but it didn't. Let's see. Let's see. Good things take time, baby. Yes, don't rush it, baby. Don't rush it. Trying to go too fast. Have some self-control. Okay? Believe you can do it. Believe you can do it. You can, you can, you can. Sometimes you need to create your own sunshine. Okay, babies? And on the bottom we have, go forth and be fierce. Woo! So, asking questions to our angels. For our Aries, asking questions. For our angels, from our angels, for our Aries. Here we go, love. Here we go. Answering questions for our Aries. Okay, it says forgiveness. It says yes. It says listen to your intuition. And we have abundance, which is your bottom card, overall energy. Okay, improving health and within the next few weeks. Give you your fortune cookie to take along with you, baby. Little fortune cookie for our Aries. Let's see, baby. Let's see. Oh, it didn't fall. Here we go. Here we go. For our Aries. Reflection. Friendships in your life may come to an end. Others can blossom and become stronger. Yep. Here we go. Positive work outcomes. Consistent efforts will bring rewards and a major purchase is worth making. Can we get one more for our Aries? Society. Say yes to all the wonderful invitations coming your way. Excellent networking opportunities and new love interests for singles will be the results. Okay, but be vigilant and, get to know people, because everything that shine ain't gold, baby. Smooches.